are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I know.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World, where creativity begins. First, let me give you the materials that you need and then we can start a tutorial. So what you will need is some Dollar Tree product. You're gonna need an adhesive covering, tissue box. You need 2 wooden crates. You need three orders of this. And then you're gonna need an X-Acto knife, your glue gun. If anything else, I'll be adding it into the video. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. First things first, let's go ahead and get our crates. And we are going to be taking this piece here out. I did for this one here. I'll show you an easy method that works for me. So get your X-Acto knife, and if you can really look, you can see the lines that they place the wood in. So we're gonna just cut those lines right there just to loosen up the wood. And there it is. And then just go ahead and paint. You might want to do this before you paint the wood. Now that we've finished getting that done, let's put that aside. And you're going to be getting 3 of your smaller woods, and we are going to be cutting that down as well. The first 2 woods, you're going to cut it down to 5 inch on this one and 5 inch on this one. And then 4 3/4 inch on this one here. And this is what it looks like after you finish cutting it down. You have 2 ones that's 5 inch. And then you're gonna have one that is 4 3/4 inch. So we're gonna get one of our regular wood, we're gonna get that. And we're gonna be placing it down. And then we're gonna get another bookshelves. We're gonna be putting it together like that. So let's go ahead and do that. So you're gonna need 3 5-inch wood instead of 2, okay? Just let you know, I'm sorry about that. That was my fault. I just realized that I didn't cut piece for the bottom. I forgot to do that. Go ahead and cut piece and then paint it. And now you have 3 5-inch wood, and that's what you're gonna need. And one of those 5-inch, we're gonna lay it at the bottom right here. And then we're gonna glue this end, like we did with this one, together like that. Let's go ahead and glue that in place. Go ahead and put our other 2 5-inch and make sure it is sitting like this in this position, because you want it to hit the corners and you want it to be even out right here, okay? If you turn it like this, it's gonna have a little bit of layer sticking out, and you don't want that. So make sure you turn it the right way, which is this way, and it's all matching up. So let's go ahead and glue that in place. And do the other side. Make sure it's sitting right. Okay, now it looks like that. Let's go ahead and put our other piece that goes right here, the 4 3/4 inch, and glue that in place. The 2 sides and the bottom. Let's go ahead and glue these 2 together. Once you finish attaching 2 of the crates, we're going to be placing it at the end of this right here. And I'm going to sit right in the center and glue that down. So far, that's how it should look. So now we're gonna get our other wood. We're gonna put it right here. Placing it like this. It's gonna be hitting the back of that. You can mark it so I can stay within the perimeter, so I don't go over it. And that's where my glue is gonna go. So we're gonna be putting our contact paper on, and then we're finished. Well, I went ahead and put the adhesive line on there, and this is how it looked. So I put some right here, some right here, at the top here, side here, here, there, and there, and then I put one here. This is not necessary, but I just want to cover this top piece because the tissue, when it goes in here, it's going to be covered, but I just wanted to put some at the top here because this one here has some, but it's your choice. Looks beautiful, y'all. I didn't put any inside of here because when you put the books, it's going to be covering up, so it's your choice. If you want to put some inside of here, you can. I just want to come back and let you guys know that I added another wood underneath this to stabilize it because it wasn't strong. To me, kind of weak. It was kind of shaky, and I didn't like that. Get yourself another Dollar Tree wall shelf, and it's the bigger size, and you just put it underneath there, line it up, cut that piece off, obviously, to make sure it matches. Cut that piece off right there, and then you gotta do is paint an outer layer. In the corner here, you paint this section as well as the back, and then put it underneath here, and it stabilizes it so much better because it was just the single wood and it separated. It was kind of weak, and I didn't like that. So you just stabilize it by putting another wood underneath here, and it works beautiful. Now it's more stronger, it's more better, and it's more stable. And so I just wanted to let you guys know that. So I'm gonna go ahead and dress this up, make it look pretty. I'm just gonna fill it up with everything that I need to put inside of here, and then you guys get to see the finished work. All right, so yes, that's it, y'all. All right, everybody, I fill it up, and it looks beautiful. I love the way it looks. It came out awesome. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and you will definitely see me in my next video.